Haha. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the second installation of Hungover Hiking. I actually forget completely what mountain we're hiking, but anyway, we have a special guest. Let me introduce to you Justin T. Bieber. That's right, the Biebs is here. Bieber, you're not supposed to be climbing on those things. Help me! As fun as this is, I kind of feel like all we're doing is walking upstairs. That's the mountain. These are just stairs. Can I like jump the fence and climb up those? I'm vlogging! That's kind of cool. We are still not higher than an apartment building, so. Oh, great, more stairs. I wish I knew what this meant. Alright, great news. We're almost as high as the apartment buildings.
Hey AJ?
Yes?
We're your friend, and you know, we all care about you here.
Yes.
But we've talked, and we think you have a problem.
What kind of problem?
Well, this is hard to say, and I know this is difficult for you to understand, but
yes.
We think your camera is a problem.
No, not at all.
And we think you should put it away until we get to the peak.
Nah.
So then we took a vote, and we all decided that we should put away your camera.
I can quit anytime I want, man.
Well, quit just for now. You know, start the journey.
I'm not feeling it.
If I'm not off the camera, 5 seconds, I swear to God.
Wait, you got one more second. Okay, pan to the left.
God damn it. God damn it.
Alright, that's where we're going.
But no more. You have to pause just for 45 minutes.
Porque. I never thought I'd see it. It's a wild bailer in its natural habitat. It's so graceful. Look how it hides in the tree, stalking its prey. I don't care what he says. I'm recording.
I got a 205, man.
Your heart rate?
Yeah.
Shit.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Not normally. But Atkins is in the front.
We're almost there, man.
Yeah.
We're so close. It's right up there.
Let's stop now. Right there.
Atkins in his Captain Morgan pose. This is pretty awesome. Oh, we made it to the peak.
No, we just fucking sleeping line, man.
That looks like the peak to me, man.
No, it's mislabeled. The sign is wrong.
Damn.
It's named for irony. It's ironic because it's not a peak.
I hope my camera can capture this. It's really hazy out.
어머 저기 올라가세요? 어? 올라가세요? 웬일이야? 어머 웬일이야? 위험한 거 하는 거 아니래요?
Yep.
밟고 있고 뭐 잡을 때 다
Yep.
있어. 그 이럴 때는
It's like a bad time to mention I'm like afraid of heights.
벗어야 되는 거야.
It's alright.
장갑 때문에
You gotta conquer them somehow.
손에 힘을 못 주잖아.
Said you gotta conquer them somehow.
그래서 이런 작업을 끼는 거야. 사진 찍는다 이거 왜 내려? 찍는다고? 그거 말고 그냥.
Yo, Axe.
What's up?
Yeah, I almost bought that camera.
It's a good camera.
And I was like, hey, I want that camera. And then the guy was like, no, take this camera. And I was like, oh, okay.
Shock resistant too. Waterproof and all that.
Yeah. It just doesn't have the cover over the lens.
See, that's what broke one time, the cover.
Yeah.
And now even now it's starting to
깃발이
stick.
딱 정확하게.
Oh. They really do look like ants. I've reached the top of the mountain. Except for that one. Conquer that one later. All in all, I'd say it's a pretty successful second edition of Hungover Hiking.
Halfway. So,
Huh?
halfway.
What?
Only halfway done with the hike.
Yeah, but going down doesn't matter as much as coming up.
We're not
It
going
does. That still hurts.
down. Going down doesn't count. We're only halfway going up.
Tell a girl that.
I will. Hold on.
Man,
Brown.
I'm
want to go another thing?
Girl.
good, man. I'm chilling.
He's stalking the Bieber. That was a bitch. In case you want to get a little frisky on top of the mountain, I have both lubed and ribbed. We made it down the mountain. I don't know if I'm really filming myself. I guess right about there. There's a taxi coming. It'll be alright. Get her.
They wouldn't push me.
See, you should have dumped it, man. It would have been way better.
Oh, man. I'm not going to dump.
Nice!
That's a way to do it.
Alright, I'm good.
You're good to go, or?
Is that yeah or no? Huh? You interpret.
Hey, fish. Sleeping on the train. We got like a parade going on. They're probably so used to getting fed, they see someone standing next to them, they swim over towards them. That one's sweet looking, that like orange one.
They're like fucking girls. They're not feeding us.
Probably. And thus concludes Hungover Hiking 2 TGI Fridays.
Let's go!
Have a wonderful day. I will see y'all again next time I'm hungover.